Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uppercase records. So here in column A, we have some names that are all in lowercase. So here, let's click in column B, and then we will double click inside here, and then we're going to type equals upper, and then we're going to click cell A1, close the parentheses, hit enter, and then now we have the first and last name uppercase. Now to update all the records below, scroll over here where you see the black plus sign, double click, and it will update all the records. All right. Now one thing to remember is all the data in column A is dynamic. So meaning if I type the word bill here, it's going to update in column B, all uppercase. As you can see here, bill is uppercased. Bill is uppercased. All right. So if you do not want your data dynamic, what you can do is highlight column B, right click, copy, and then click on column A, right click, and then paste as values. So we'll paste it as values, and then we can come here, highlight column B, and then we can delete all the information here. All right, so all your data now has been uppercase. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and thank you and have a great day.